Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, aka Jalana, and today I'm just gonna show you guys how to get these passion twists. They are crochet. I kind of messed up because I wanted to do the individual crochet method, and I'm still gonna title it that because that's what I attempted to do. So the only way to get individual looking crochet twists within like 2 hours is to do your front section with these twists. So either you can unravel these or you can get some extra passion hair passion hair from the beauty supply stores, and you'll be able to just do your own hair the first row with twists like these. But the rest of it is all crocheted up and braided up. Yeah, this took, well, I was back 2 days later after I did my base. Meaning my 2 rows of individual and then the cornrows in the back. So basically I just connected my 2 braids, my 2 individual ones. I connected them, so I did a single braid and then I connected them with the rubber band to the next one, and then I braided those 2 pieces into a big braid back here. It'll be like better explained throughout the video, but if you like this video, if you like that I attempted the passion twist, if you find it helpful, just make sure you give it a thumbs up. You like, comment if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And yeah, I really like it. I think it's gonna take a little bit more getting used to because it's like a kinky haired style that I didn't know what I would look like in. So I kind of like it, it's giving me like Jamaican vibes, period. Okay, back into the tutorial, guys. See you guys in the next one. Love you, peace. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, it works. It works. I'm on the last pass. Somebody save me, Jesus. I don't know what I'm thinking right now, but I'm kinda digging this look. Okay. Really, bro. Okay. Can't do a YouTube video without this being clean. Okay, we're still on. Alright. Real quick, I'm gonna just show you how I do this while I'm talking. So I spray this because it doesn't have like a bad smell, but it does smell like processed as far as like, you know, how they made it or whatever. It doesn't sting, but I just don't like that smell. So I'm using the Moisture Miracle leave-in conditioner that I use for my scalp on these as well. This smells so good. Like, I'm kind of tender-headed, so I try to position my crochet stick to where I know it won't hurt. And so if I feel like it hurts where my crochet stick is sliding, I'll pull it out. But where I just slid it right now, I think I'll be okay to insert the twist. So I'm just gonna close the latch and pull the twist. So sometimes it still might hurt, but it's not that bad. It's not something that's unbearable. You just pull it, and then I like to pull it in the direction that I know I'm gonna lay my hair. If I do wanna wear like both of the front down, I can, but for the most part, I know I'm gonna be wearing it towards the side. Or maybe not, who knows, I don't know. But people are probably like, so how does it look individual if you still braided your hair straight back? It kind of doesn't. It kind of does. I was just lazy and I didn't want to do 4 individually up here because I know my hair is not gonna last. So my hair is way kinkier than this type of hair. It helps to do your twist the way that your hair is gonna lay. So it's hard to explain because I don't really know, but I'm putting this one in downwards because I know I want it to hang to the right side of my head, which is probably you guys' left. And so like the knot should be perfectly aligned like that. That's perfect. So I'm gonna have to do this one downward, and again trying to find a spot where it doesn't hurt and pull that through. This one felt perfect. And then you're gonna put it through the loop and put it back downwards and just slide it to tighten it. Boom. Okay, so now I do have a little spots that I do want to cover up, cause like right here, here, here. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Or am I? It kind of looks dumb and unfinished, huh? I don't know. Y'all, I will come back and show y'all what I did.